just discovered a YouTube channel that's making $15,000 per month, and when I took a closer look at this channel, I found something that truly shocked me. The channel is called One Bible Verse, and they posted their first video barely a month ago, but they've already gained almost 50,000 subscribers from just 8 videos. What's even crazier is that this isn't from short-form views. Take a look. They're only posting long-form content, with their first video alone already surpassing 2.2 million views. And if you think this is just a one-off, another video has also reached nearly 600,000 views. Yes, you heard that right. All from a channel that's only a month old. Trust me, they didn't achieve these results by pure luck. I spent hours studying this channel, their strategies, content, and approach. The viral impact of their strategy is insane. The channel is simply creating videos centered around biblical insights, spiritual motivation, and personal growth. But somehow, they've managed to deliver it in such a compelling way that viewers can't stop watching. That's exactly what the algorithm loves. The most important question, is this channel monetizable? You can check on 𝐒𝐿𝐴 or a tool like 𝐲𝐿𝐴. Let's take a look at 𝐲𝐿𝐴 since it's free. As you can see, the channel is fully monetized, but trust me, it's not as simple as it looks. You see, for a video to go viral, it takes a brand new channel, an engaging topic, a solid script, strong visuals, a great voiceover, and an eye-catching thumbnail. That's why in this video, I'm giving you an updated step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to launch your own channel, and I promise your channel will have huge potential to go viral. Let's start with the first step, creating your channel. I'll walk you through setting up a perfectly branded channel, so buckle up because it's going to be awesome. First, open my Google Doc, link in the description, and copy the channel name prompt. Head to ChatGPT, Deepseek, or your preferred text generator. I'll use Deepseek. Paste the prompt and hit enter. Pick a name you like or click to regenerate if needed. Once you've settled on one, ask Deepseek to generate a channel description. Just copy the description prompt from my Google Doc, paste it into Deepseek, and replace the name with your chosen one. Hit generate, and just like that, you have the perfect name and description. Now, head to YouTube Studio, paste your chosen name, select a catchy handle, and add the description. But hold on, you're still missing a channel logo. Let's create one. In my Google Doc, copy it and open your preferred text-to-image tool like Leonardo AI, InVideo AI, or others. Since I use Runway, I'll demonstrate with that. No subscription? No problem. I had tested my prompt on InVideo AI, Leonardo AI. It works across different platforms. Go to Runway, sign up or log in, and once you're in, click Generate Image. Paste the prompt, select the 1:1 ratio, and hit Generate. Wait for the magic, and once it's ready, download your logo. If you're not happy with the result, just regenerate. Now upload your logo to YouTube Studio. Your channel is now live. Now I'm about to share something that can really boost your channel's visibility, and it's something most experts miss. Head to your channel settings and find the section for channel keywords. I'll guide you through creating SEO optimized keywords to help your channel stand out. Go back to my Google Doc, copy the keyword prompt, and paste it into Deepseek. Make sure to use the exact prompt I'm providing for the best outcome. Hit generate, and you'll get a list of optimized keywords for your channel. Copy these and paste them into your channel's keyword section on YouTube. If it surpassed 500 characters, just delete some. Save the settings, click publish, and voila, your channel is all set up. Now let's get into the topic and script part. Go to my Google Doc and copy the prompt for choosing a topic. Then click generate, choose the topic you prefer. Next, go to my Google Doc again and copy the script prompt. Replace the placeholder with the topic you selected and hit enter. Once done, you'll have the perfect script for your video. Next, it's time for the voiceover and background music. Today, I'll be using ElevanLabs since it gives free users 10,000 credits, which is plenty for a model channel video. After logging in or signing up, click on text-to-speech. Go to Deepseek, copy the script, and paste it here. Choose a voice from the library. I'll go with this one as it suits the tone. Click to generate the voiceover, and if you're happy with it, click here to download. As for background music, YouTube has strict copyright requirements, so it's best to choose music from the YouTube Studio. Open YouTube Studio, go to the library, search for steps, find the one you like, and download it. Now let's move on to the image creation part. Go to my Google Doc, copy the image prompt, and paste it into Deepseek. You'll need to make 2 adjustments. Paste the script we generated earlier here and replace the placeholder with your preferred image number. Today, I'll go with 20. Hit enter and your image prompt is ready. Copy it and go to any image generation website such as Leonardo AI, InVideo AI, Piclumen AI, or Runway. Since I'm subscribed to Runway, I'll demonstrate using that. If you prefer a different site, feel free to comment and I'll test it for you. Go to Runway, click on Generate Image, paste the image prompt, choose the 16:9 ratio, and click Generate. Repeat this for each image until all are ready. Once satisfied, click to download. Now let's get into video editing. Import all the assets, including the voiceover and images. Start by editing the voiceover. You'll notice some clear gaps between sentences. These are breaks. We need to trim them but not completely remove them so the video remains smooth. Next, select all the voiceover clips and set the volume to 9. Then, edit the background music to match the length of the voiceover, applying a 1-second fade in and a 1-second fade out. After listening, if the background music is too loud, lower the volume to MI5. Next, let's handle the images. Import all the images, but don't place them in the cover layer. First, import the first image, then click Remove BG. If you're a PRO user, you can select Auto Removal, but if you're on the free version, choose AI Background. Don't worry, I've tested it, and the images generated with my prompt have a simple cream-colored background, which is easy to remove, so both free and paid versions work similarly. Next, search for cream background and stickers. Find the one you like, click it, and stretch it to match the voiceover duration. Right-click to add a compound clip, drag it to the cover layer, and adjust the scale to about 280. This is the perfect size. Now, adjust image 1's scale and position so it appears on the far left. Then find the first sentence in your script, copy it, go back to CapCut, click text, and add default text. Paste the sentence here, change the font. I'm using Comic Sans MS Italic, but feel free to choose your favorite. Adjust the font size and pick the color, black or any other you prefer. Then go to Animation and choose either Type 1 or Type 2. After setting up image 1, ensure all the following images are adjusted in the same way. Remove the background, adjust scale and position, copy a sentence from the script, and add animation. Repeat this until all images are done. Once all images are finished, right-click to create a compound clip. This helps us add transitions. My go-to transition is Mix, click here, and choose Apply to All. Now, let's add a filter. Search for Clear, which is my favorite. It suits various video styles. Apply it to cover the whole video. In this demonstration, I've only shown a few images, but the process is the same for all of them. Be patient as you complete each step. Once your video is finished, click here to export. Finally, we need to create a video description and thumbnail. For the thumbnail, this is a crucial step, so don't let YouTube auto-generate it. Choose the best image from the 20 you created. However, for Bible verse thumbnails, they usually include text. Don't worry, if you check my prompt, you'll see that Deepseek generates both the topic and title with text, which you can use for your thumbnail. Today, we'll use Canva to design the thumbnail. Go to Canva, click Create a Design, choose Presentation, click Upload, and then copy the theme from Deepseek and paste it into Canva. Click Text, select a font you like, and paste the sentence. Adjust it as needed. If you like it, click here to download. For the video description, it's easy. Go to my Google Doc, copy the last prompt, and paste it into Deepseek. Replace the placeholder with the video topic, and you now have a solid description. Now you're ready to upload your video. Once your video is finished, upload it to your YouTube channel. Consistency is key. If you don't see immediate results, that's completely normal. Keep uploading and learning from each video, and eventually one will go viral and earn $15,000 in its second month. Keep pushing forward, and I'll see you in the next one.